In this episode, Sasha and Keoni return to the original goal of this lesson, which is to develop an equation for any parabola with a vertex of 0, 0. First, they compare the three equations that they determined so far. Then, they make a prediction regarding the general equation for any parabola with its vertex at the origin.
Now, our goal today is to try to come up with an equation for any parabola that goes through the origin.
Yeah.
What do you think the equation is depending on?
The distance between the focus and the directrix.
Okay. Why do you think that?
Because, I don't know. Because that's our fixed point, and then it has to be that.
Well, what else are you noticing about the equations? Like, how are they alike and how are they different?
So this one hits it on the 1, this one on the 2, and that one on the 3.
Interesting.
Right.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. And before, Sasha, you said something about the focus and the directrix.
Uh-huh.
Do you think they're related to the equations at all?
Yes.
Any ideas?
Because... Where was the focus?
You can
The
mark them in if
focus.
you want.
Where was the focus on?
Okay, so our focus here is red.
Oh, good job, good job.
Those are our focuses. Yeah.
And were you going to say something?
The directrix?
Okay.
Can do the directrix? No.
Well, because the directrix
Yeah, I know.
it's like down there. Well, we can, right? It would just, so like it'd be this line, and then it'd be that line, and then it would be
Like,
like there.
yeah.
Okay.
Do you see any relationship between anything involving the focus or the directrix or both of them and those equations?
Yeah.
So for our first equation, the directrix is a unit under our origin, and our focus is a unit above our origin. And then for our second equation, it was 2 units under our origin, and our focus was 2 units over our origin. And for the third one, our focus was 3 units over our origin, and our directrix was 3 units under.
Interesting. Was that what you were thinking, Sasha, or did you have a different idea?
No, I agree with that, because I was, just the distance was like continuous.
Is there any relationship, do you think, between those distances and those equations?
Yeah.
You can make a conjecture. I mean,
Yes.
we're going to try some things out, but...
Okay.
Well, let's make 2 predictions. What if the distance from the origin to the focus is 4?
Okay.
Okay.
What do you think the equation will be?
Different color.
Let's make a different color. Let's make it. Gonna make it black.
Do it.
We're making it black.
It's lead.
And then put your prediction in black or lead, whatever it was called,
On our
for that
directrix?
equation. No,
or
for
the
the equation.
equation?
Yeah. Oh, you can put the directrix in too. Sorry, I didn't want to stop your thinking there.
So like right there, right? So I'm guessing that it would be y equals x squared over 16.
Do you agree with that?
I do.
What's your thinking there?
Well, each time for each unit under the origin, we're gonna multiply by 4. So if our directrix is 4 units under our origin, we'll multiply that by 4. So
Okay.
4 times 4 is 16.
Did that pattern that you just say work for the other ones?
Yes.
Can you show me one?
So, for our directrix, it was just 1 unit under our origin.
Yeah.
So we did 4 times 1 is 4, and 2 was 4 times 2 equals 8, and then 4 times 3 equals 12.
So then when we have it 4, it'd be 4, so then 4 times 4 is 16.
Yeah.
I think you have a nice conjecture.
Sasha and Keoni noticed an important relationship between the equation for a parabola and the distance between its focus and vertex. For the red parabola, the distance between its focus and vertex is 1 unit, and the denominator in its equation is 4 times the 1. For the blue parabola, the distance between its focus and vertex is 2 units, and the denominator of its equation is 4 times the 2. For the orange parabola, the distance between its focus and vertex is 3 units, and the denominator of its equation is 4 times the 3. Next, Sasha and Keoni predict what the equation will be for a parabola with an unknown distance, p, from its focus to its vertex.
Okay, here's your challenge.
Oh no.
Now, what if the distance between the origin and the focus is some unknown number called p?
Oh god, p.
P.
I'm going
It's gonna be-
call it p.
P times 4.
P times 4. So
P.
4p.
So what will the
Okay.
equation be?
So for p, you're going to say y equals x squared over.
4p.
So is this your conjecture for the general
Equation of all
for any
parabolas?
parabola
Yes!
going through the origin?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to try it.
Sasha and Keoni conjectured that if you have a parabola with an unknown distance between its focus and vertex, which is represented by the letter p, then the equation for the parabola will be y equals x squared divided by 4 times p. In the next episode, they will test this conjecture.